When people are fearful, it's time to be greedy. Let's see what we can do. Luckily, I was awake because I couldn't get any sleep last night. When I hit the bottom, it looks like 3,897. At that particular point, we see that the RSI was at the very bottom. The stochastic RSI was at the bottom for a whole day, but now it has broken through the bullish zone, pointing up. More cautious traders are going to be waiting for the MACD cross, but it looks like there's convergence, and the red volume is obviously decreasing as the green volume is increasing. So while we're still not in bullish land yet, however, it's moving up quite fast, and I think if we do see 440 by today or tomorrow, we're back in the bull time. And for people who've been, now I know most people watching this video haven't been trading since the start of the year, but to make a comparison, this is like the price correction in May. Maybe if it goes beyond 4,400, I'm happy to say we've got another month of bull time. But of course, anything can happen, and maybe we'll turn down before it gets to 5,000. But I'm like, if we saw 5,000 by the end of the week, I would not be surprised. I'm happy to say we're going to see 5,000 soonish. However, it's not really guaranteed. We all just know that it's going up now. Even if you were to buy now, because there's still some cautious traders that wouldn't buy until the MACD crosses on the 4-hour chart, which this is not a law or anything. It's just my opinion that is the chart I look at when I'm looking at MACD crosses, because I'm a swing trader. And I like to buy and sell weekly. So who else am I looking at today? This trading app that I use does not let me see OMG on Bitfinex, but looking at OMG on Bittrex, yeah, I mean, it had OMG quite often has a big crash over the weekend. I unfortunately did not buy as low as possible as I could, because when I thought it hit the bottom, but either way, it's now gone up higher than I bought it recently. It has just crossed the MACD, so so a lot of traders will be looking at this going, crap, this is a good time to buy. And the stochastic RSI is still in bull time. It's not overbought. The normal RSI is also bullish and not overbought. So it's Tuesday. I say Wednesday, Thursday, we have a good shot at hitting last week's all-time high, and we'll see how much higher we can go. Yeah, awesome. So that gave me €1,000,000. I'd put that onto OMG because it is my favorite. My happiest move I did, my happiest move so far, and hopefully it will prove me to be happy, was my entry point for Litecoin. I just got it at the bottom. At the time, the stochastic was at the bottom and the blue was crossing the red. The MACD has not crossed yet, so you're technically buying. If you bought now, you'll be buying before the MACD cross, which is kind of like, sorry for people who don't understand what the hell I'm saying, that when you buy before the MACD cross, that's a very risky move. More cautious traders like to buy when the MACD crosses. So I have a stop loss there to make sure it doesn't crash. And if the